Today we are drawing a house, so go grab your painting colors and brushes. We will start by drawing the front roof. For the roof, we will draw 2 triangles and join them. Now we will draw the front wall. Next, we will draw a door. On the door, draw a big heart. Time to draw the side roof. Now, draw the sidewall. On this wall, draw a window. Coloring time! First, we will color the roof. We will color the front roof red. We will color the side roof orange, yellow, and green. Now we will color the front wall blue. Friends, isn't this multicolored roof looking amazing? Time to color the sidewall orange. Orange will make our home bright. Now we will color the window blue. After the window, we will color the door light brown. Last, we will color the heart on the door pink.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.